Sanibonani, igama lami uShameni. Ngizoxoxela namhlanje ngelanga engangiqala ukuye-Groove, ngayithola ngidlwengoliwe. Ngiyathemba ukuthi namhlanje nizofunda ku-story sami.
Sanibonani molweni, welcome to another episode of TVC Gauteng. Igama uZamambo Mkhize, owaziwa ngoZamzukwana Closet on the social streets. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing to channel yethu. If awukaga subscribe, kindly do so. It's absolutely free. You just click on the button ebhalwe subscribe. If awukaga click in a notification bell, please do so that when we upload our episodes amasha, you'll be notified of them. Nikhumbuleke umthetho wala ekhaya uthi comments should be respectful. If awekho respectful, sizowadelete. I have exciting news bantwana basekhaya nani bazali. We have a YouTube membership, meaning ukuthi every month you pay as little as 20 rands so that you support each channel, because for us to bring you our guests who share their true stories, you know, with the hopes of giving you a life lesson. Sizokwazi ukuthi siqhubeke sindethele lawo ma stories, so we really need the support because it costs a lot ukunilethela le production. And I have to say ukuthi we bring you a production at best, Shem, when we, not that I'm comparing to content, but yeah, the quality of work that we bring to you, we are very proud of it. And ngalo ma 20 rand lawo, it will go a long way. Ama 20 rands lawo, please note our deduct to TVC Gauteng, YouTube does that, and then they only pay us our portion. So mau patala leo 20 rand, you will get exclusive content, meaning that you will get ama behind the scene videos, you will get ama videos as nagawa upload, you know, for lababanye ukuthi bawabone, and we will also add you go WhatsApp group yethu, and you'll get in touch with the TVC Gauteng team as well as ama guests sinilethela wona. So I hope you understand ukuthi hamba kanjani. So you just go on membership, ni click and follow the prompts. Kulula kakhulu. Ningakhohlwa abantu abadala, siyangicela if awukwazi ukusubscribe, ubacela ukuthi nje baklikele le button ebhalwe subscribe because siyazi ukuthi sibukelwa yini kakhulu. Without wasting time, dalo njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. All right, sicela usixoxele ke about ilanga lalesigameko ozosixoxela ngaso.
It was 2016. I remember the actual day of isigameko, so my estimation would be around 1 October.
Okay.
It was a normal day. I went to a matric dance. Abazali bavumile banginikeza imvumo yokuqala ukuthi ngingabuya endlini. Kokuqala ngijabulile, sahamba kwaba mnandi, ngabuya ngakusasa. Mangibuya sengiyobona abangani phela, ngithi hawu ngiyotshela abangani hayi sengihambile ngimuhle, babone ne outfit yami after party.
Yeah.
Mangifika kubo bathi hayi bo phela thina siyanga ku matric dance besingafunda esikoleni esifanayo.
Okay.
Siyanga ku matric dance sizohamba ebusuku siye esikhaleni. Okay.
Esikhaleni
indawo eseKatlehong.
Okay.
Yes. Indawo yokujiva
Okay.
yasebusuku. Mangifika khona hayi abangani hayi asambeni kodwa mina ngikhathele bangani asiyiboneni mhlawumbe kusasa onihambeni ngaphandle kwami. Hayi no asambe uyosupporta nathi kuzoba ngathi matric dance yethu. Okay, ngifike endlini tshela ugogo, hey gogo mamela abangani bathi hayi okay kulungile but ungamtshela umkhulu wakho. Tshela umkhulu ukuthi uhamba nabangani basesikoleni. Hayi okay. Ebusuku ke sengiyashintsha ngiyaqoka ngiyahamba. Sifika lapho kungukuthi bengiphuzile vele ku matric dance. Ngiphuzile angakalali. Solo ngingalalanga. Sifike esikhaleni, okay abangani bathi hayi since unganamali sokuthengela. Sifika lapha esikhaleni sihlale bokugcwele ngaphakathi. Sihlale ngaphandle hayi sihlale bahlangana nabangani babo. Angisumuntu abangani kakhulu. So abangani benginabo yibo bona lwa kade ngihamba nawo abawu3. Masifika lapho okay sokumnandi ke kuyaphuzwa kuye kufika umngani bathi beyenza ikhwaya naye. Ufika uphethe ihabli yakhona ngimbuza umfana uthi awufanga lutho nangaphakathi. Bajwayele ukufaka iflavor nini bafake insango nini bafake ezinye izinto engingazazi. Hayi angifakanga nesikhululeka ngifaka next. Okay ngibheme ke nami abangani bayabhema nabo ngabhema nabo. Makuya kwesikhathi ngizoma naye isiyeza sengiphatha yasijwayelekanga. Lento ebengiyiphuza beyinoshukela bengana ama% amakhulu. Kuye ngasikhalesi umuntu ade ngizwana naye bekasendawo khona indawo okuthiwa ngikhohliwe igama layo but ingase Wild Waters.
Okay.
Bekayojiva lapha athi ngizondlula ngithathe. Afone masesendleleni hayi sengisendleleni ngiyabuya ke. It's okay mina ngifuna ukuya toilet. Khona le mkhuba bajwayele ukwayenza amantombazana bame nje emuva kwe station gesi bachame. Bengazizwa kahle ngalento. Ngithi ngingene ngaphakathi ngiyochama. Mangifika ngaphakathi kula kwabheda khona. Ngayibona kunama disco lights. Ngavele ngaphathwa isiyezi ngingasabona emuva ngingasabona phambili. Ngingaboni ukuthi kukuphi ilanga yakhona ama toilet mangingaphandle bengwabona ukuthi akuphi. Kodwa bese siphakathi kwesixuku sabantu baningi abantu. I lost the direction. Angingazi ukuthi ngene ngakuphi kwafika ubhuti yini kwenzakala mina khaya ngifuna toilet. Athi okay angibambeke sanda thi ngise toilet. Masiphuma masifika ngaphandle akususe toilet. Kusemuva kwala ukujavelwa khona isiganga.
Yeah.
Mangithi ngiyabheka emuva sokukhona umngani ahamba naye. Angeke ngibazi ngamagama bengiqala ukubabona, angeke ngibakhombena namhlanje. Maka uthi kimi ya sesifikile. Mina ka sifikanga sifike kuphi? Angibambeke angikrinye. Angihame athi khetha ke. Ufuna ukufa noma ufuna senze lento esiyenzayo siqede ngawe. Ngazama ukulwa awekho amandla. Usitshala busesemzimbeni le engiyibhemile ku hubby angiyazi ukuthi beyihlanganiswe nani ngoba I disorientation engengaba nayo isiyeze engengaba naso bengasunderstand. Okay angibeke phansi ubhuti angikhumbule ngaphansi. Because I remember bengigqoke kakhulu ngalanga lelo bengikubanda ngigqoke icathulo ngigqoke jean ngigqoke tight ngaphansi kwakhumula only ngaphansi. Ngazama ukulwa still ebila ngikhumulile bangihama ngaze ngabona ukuthi it's either benza lento abayenzayo or ngiyafa. Okay it's okay ngcono ngibayeke benzele babafuna ukwenza bashintshana ngami bo2. After that engayiqala ukuyicabanga was angigqokanga ngaphansi ngakhipha ijacket because I was wearing a blazer bengigqoke iblazer neshirt ngakhipha blazer ngayifasa ngaphansi bamele ngibuyele phakathi ebantwini labo hayi bekayifuna abanye bakhipha amafoni ukuthi ayizange yavela kanjani ku social media angazi khona bathatha ama video hayi
bekayifuna so video impahla azisekho.
Yes.
So they took impahla lesibusifake.
Impahla ngayishiya lapho basuka abafana babaleka. Ingqondo bengasebenzi kahle bengasebenzi. Into bengicabanga ukubaleka ngithola usizo. So impahla zangaphansi nefone zasala lapho. Maqeda ngabuyela ngaphakathi bashuta ama video ke izamile ukubheka phansi ngifihlekela ebusweni angazi noma khona wayithatha ivideo or anything. Ngathi mangiphumela esixukweni ngalena ngaya labangani kade bahleli khona abangani abasekho angazi bayephi angazi bayakhumbula ukuthi bangishiya angazi abasekho abangani ngathola abafana bebahleli ngaphandle estradeni sona lesi bamamela music walapho besikhona owakhona ngathi beyahlala khona lapho angena wangikhiphela ingubo. Ingqondo the way bihlangahlangene ngakhona uyabaza abafana babadakiwe khona ufuna ukukuthinta wakhona wangithinta ngascream ngazi ukuthi whether uzofuna ukuphinda naye okwenzakalani bafonela amaphoyisa. Isigameko senzekele ngabo 12 if not 1 amaphoyisa afike ngabo 3 and abantu abayazi esikhaleni it's seduzana nase police station.
Okay.
It's a 3 minutes drive maximum.
Okay.
Amaphoyisa afika 2 hours later. Mawafika kufika amadoda u2. Angazi noma bebazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni kodwa benga understand ukuthi why kuzoza amadoda. Okay. Ngiceda ukudlwengulwa abalisa bawu2. Kwamele ngingene emaphakathini kwamadoda u2 futhi. Ngangena bangise police station. Police station mangifika base ngihlale nje ekhoneni ngahlala ngazumeka. Ubuthongo lobu yabo buya bonke. Mangizumeka afika umama. Vuka. Ngisahlangahlangana ikhanda. Angazi noma nguphi kwenza le qedwe kwenzakala ngisayifeel emzimbeni athi umama kwenzakaleni ke ngitshele indlela bekhuluma ngami ngayo bongathi akusumama bongathi akayazi inhlungu yokudlwengulwa yes amhlamba akayazi kodwa ngoba usebenza la sebenza khona bokumele ngabe uyakwazi ukuzwa umuntu okay udlwenguliwe okay so manje bowufuna noma bongafuni bakuthengelile utshwala kumele ngichaze konke lokho cha angibazi bengiqala ukubabona abangithengelanga utshwala ngiyachaza sonke istory okay ngaso isikhathi bengina 17 so bengakwazi ukuvula iqala nge1 kamele baye umzali ke mangifike ekhaya okay ugogo bathathayo asambe ke baqala bayofuna abangani sibazochaza abangani abekho kubo bakhaba umzala asahamba naye besihamba so4
okay
mabafika lapho kwamzala umzala uthi hayi thina sitshela ukuthi uShamini uhambe nosoka lakhe engambuza yona umzali ukuthi ngithe ngiye toilet ngiyabuya isoka lami belizongilanda phambi kwenu nahamba ningangibonanga hayi thina sitshela uhambe nesoka lakho okay sebayazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngandlula sahamba saya esibhedlela masifika esibhedlela bayethatha i-rape kit nalapho ngaxakeka ukuthi i-rape kit uthatha umuntu wesilisa futhi now the same legs ebengizivulile wami ngiyozivulela futhi for umunye umuntu wesilisa bayithatha i-rape kit leyo maqedwe ithatha i-rape kit iphoyisa besihamba nayo bengaqwanga uniform ngiyacabanga ukuthi CID mangehla athi ngiyathemba sowufundile ukuthi abafana bathenjwa okay lapho ngabona ukuthi okay ayikho indoda engizoyiphinde ngiyithembe empilweni yami because laba bomele ngigijimele kubo bebangasekho abangani abazange beza nayo ilanga elangendelayo ukuzongihlola
ukuthi ufike kahle na endlini
kwafika la sengithi mhlambe bebazi mhlambe bakhuluma nabo abantu labo mhlambe bayabazi because awukwazi ukunyamalala umuntu uceda ukuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni futhi awuzwanga nakimi bokukhona iphoyisa elizokubuza imibuzo awuzange wayihlupha nokuthi uzo ekhaya uzohlola ngababona iviki elandelayo hayi nakhona futhi bese ngitholile amandla ukuthi ngiphume estradeni bengakwazi kwenza niksi ngihlezi ngikhala ngifike la imicabango yokuyibulala ngoba bengazi ngikhophe kanjani eyangizwisa ubhlungu futhi was ugogo owathi mase kwenzeka isigameko leso wathi hey mina ngimazi ukuthi uphume kanjani endlini ngamcela wavuma wathi qamba manga
ngumkhulu ya uthi uhambe nabangani abasesikoleni
mase kufika ubaba azobuza kwenzakaleni hayi cha uShamini wathi kimi uyahamba nabangani bakhe basesikoleni akashonga ukuthi abobani because ubaba bekangazi lutho ubaba wazi ukuthi hayi wangilanda matric day wangilanda ngesa matric dance ngazela after party ngayibuyela the following day ekhaya yeah namhlanje akapholi ubhlungu bakhona akapholi to the point yokuthi nginokufila ukuthi basakhona labantu bayangibona bayangilandela or something ngicala la khona azange laphela ndawo
so bagcina nje ngokuthatha i-rape kits and then submit izinto
bathatha i-rape kits banginikeza detective oweza makeza udetective wathatha i-box le phone wabuya wathi hayi ifoni siyitracele enqala kukho kude nasekhaya wagcina lapho kuza sangaphinde ngambona
and then nawe azangilandelele ukubuyela ke check yeah
ukuthi ngizolivuselela icala mangilivuselela asithi bayabathola ngizophila futhi ngikhumbuza futhi loba abhlungu lobuya ngoba kumele ngiyotestify
exactly
kwamele ngiyobakhomba because of indlela engangiba khumbula ngayo ngikhumbula even the touch ngikhumbule yonke into bebayenza kimi ngayenza ngamabomu ukuthi ngikhohle ubuso ukuthi mangihamba ngingalibeli ngibheke emuva ngoba into ebhlungu futhi was ithe mayenzeka i-rape was 2 weeks before my final exams saka matric and kwamele ngigqoke ubuso busha ukuthi ayikho into eyenzakele ngabuyela esikoleni like nothing happened. Ngabhala ama-exam.
Esikoleni bengakafiki indaba ukuthi kwenzakaleni?
Cha, akekho umuntu bekazi.
Okay.
Nasemndenini akekho umuntu obekazi. Ngacela ugogo ukuthi angatsheli umuntu kodwa umndeni uyawazi bebazi. Namanje bayazi abekho abake bangibuza ukuthi konje
kahle kwenzakaleni and
akekho. And namanje lokho sasebhlungu ukuthi as ugogo wami othize obonazi indlela zokuthi ungangisiza because khona wabo obeka nayo indlela ukuthi angangisiza ngikhulumisa nabantu. Namanje akekho obuzayo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kusasebhlungu.
So you want in all of this and trying to figure out ukuthi uphila kanjani every day now with the trauma.
Kwesinye isikhathi kunobuya ama-flashbacks. Ngiphuphe kwenzeka ngizuze kahle ukuthi ngathi ngiphakathi lapho 2016 when that happened. Ngiyafika leso sikhathi leso. Bese ngithole ngithuka mangivuka angazi ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyi-one eRomini but kuzofila ngathi khona umuntu okhona khona umuntu ongibhekile. Mangihamba ngibuye emsebenzini ngivamise ukuwalka. Kuzofila ngathi hayi khona umuntu ongilandelayo. Ayipheli pain yakhona inyembezi zangakhala zaphela angisakwazi ukuyikhalela kusasebhlungu namhlanje. Yeah.
So the lesson ozathi uye wayifunda from this whole experience that you can share with our viewers kungaba yini?
Justice system don't even trust it. Mangabe khona indlela ozothola ngalo usizo justice system siyakubongela kodwa angithembi ngikholwa ukuthi namanje mangabanjwa inkunzi ngagijima ngepolice station. Abakwazanga ungisiza ngaleso sikhathi lesa ngicabanga ukuthi bayophinde bangisize. Eyesibili ukuthi ungabathemba abangani bakho. Ungakhula nabo nizalwe nonke same day maybe same indawo enihlala kuyo kodwa ungabathembi ngokuphelele. Ngoba indlela abayokujikela ngayo izokusurprise nawe bese kuzosubhlungu kakhulu. So ungazithemba abangani bakho. Zithembe wena uwazi ukuthi into wrong right. Umamele nomzimba wakho. Umzimba wakho uyakutshela izimpawu zokuthi lokhu sokwanele. Yeah.
So abangani after the whole incident nina ba right or
kwathatha isikhathi khona oyi-one wabe ngisase umngani naye kwathatha isikhathi. Kwaba khona emva kweminyaka ewu2 ngibuye kuma suicidal attempts awu3 so far. Ukudlula kuko konke lokho bebangekho. Bokuyindaba ukusesohlangana estradini mabangibona hi unjani kuphelele lapho. Bengasazi ngibathembe kanjani bengasacabanga ukuthi sophinde sebabangani kodwa oyi-one wabo wabuya wathi angisathandi indlela esingayo ngakhona. Ngasho ukuthi okay mina ukuthi ngize ngifike la ukuthi wangizisa ubhlungu ukuthi nokuthi wachaza ukuthi hayi bengisaba ukuthi ngizofika endlini ugogo angibuza imibuzo bengazi ngizophendula kanjani. Okay ngakuzwa lokho ngoba bengazi ugogo wami vele bekuwumuntu omthetho bongavela ungene nje ekhaya ungicele. Ngavuma ke kwalunga ke sisabangana namhlanje.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then ugogo yena relationship injani?
Yaphuka kakhulu kodwa ngazama kwamina ukuthi ngixole ngithola indlela ukuthi ngimxolele ngoba sihlale endaweni eyi-one angikwazi ukuthi ngivele nje ngimjeke kwaba khona isikhathi esingakhulumisana kwakuyimi ongamkhulumisi futhi yena namhlanje akayibona sephutheni namhlanje akakhumbula ukuthi wathini kubaba wami makafika akakhumbuli lokho.
Omkhulu yena because wayefihlelwe so yena did he know after ukuthi kwenzakaleni?
Bekazi kodwa ngazi ukuthi ugogo wamtshelani ngoba watshelwa ugogo. So angazi noma ugogo wamtshela ukuthi naye ngamqambela amanga ukuthi naye azivikele angazi kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi uyazi. Namhlanje ukuthi ngibe la ngiyazi ukuthi uyazi. Bengingakhuluma naye ngikhulume nogogo ukuthi ngizozala namhlanje. Ugogo wamtshela umkhulu. Yeah.
So with the whole experience i-counseling uye wayithola?
Ngayizama i-counseling. Ngiyacabanga ngasikhathi bengisasemncane benga understand ukuthi yini i-counseling. ngangifika laphayana ikhansela leyo nganginikeza yona bengidwebisa izithombe. Draw your favorite animal. Draw your favorite
At 17.
yes. Draw your favorite animal, draw your favorite flower. Yeah. So ngayeka ngoba understand ukuthi ukudweba iflower. Ukuxoxa bekukhona boku sawubona unjani. Angeke ngithi angekho right. And when it comes to counseling, we all know ukuthi siyawaqamba manga. Right ngiyaphila. Iphelela lapho. Ay namhlanje uzodraw your favorite flower. Namhlanje uzosho safe places. Bengina 17 ngiyawazi ama safe places. Ngiyazi ukuthi la kade ngikhona it was a 50-50 chance but bengingacabanga ukuthi ngalanga leli isigameko siyoyehlakala. Nakhona futhi bengingayijwayelanga leyo impilo leyo bokuyinto ukuthi ngithole imvumo from abazali so ithi ngihambe ngiyobona nami ukuthi ezinye izingane zenzani ngaphandle. Ngayeka kanjalo. Ngazama futhi 2018 mangizama it was efonini. Bokhona inamba engayithola uyayifonela mawuzwa ngathi awusekho right. Kodwa nakhona ngangibona ukuthi ukuqamba manga kulula. Ngisefonini ngitshela umuntu ukuthi hayi angikho right kwenzakala so na so. Awumboni lo muntu loyo noma ngingasho manje kuwe uyakwazi ukungibona mangiqamba manga ngoba indlela engizoreacta ngayo emzimbeni izoshutha uqamba manga lo muntu ngayeka. Kodwa manje ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyayidinga ngoba phinde ithikameza umsebenzi wami. Futhi kakhulu mangabe ngeke ngathola mhlambe amaphupho amabi ngakusasa angibe right nasemqondweni. Angikwazi uconcentrate emsebenzini. Kwesinye isikhathi ngize ngiyithole ngiba moody, ngishintshe indlela engikhuluma ngayo, sengikhuphula ivoice nje esithubeni. So yeah.
And then when it comes to relationships, because you were dating umuntu at that time, how did it affect a relationship yakho with the person and maybe after ke?
Ngiyacabanga umntana abantu wandlule ezintweni ezinzima because of me ngalento engangihlakalela ngoba 3 of those times the suicide wayekhona. Enye yakhona inhlanhla leyo bengahlali kude. Enye yakhona he had to uthi agijime ngo12 ebusuku azojump ifence ekhaya because bengwaphethe amapilisi ngesandla ngithi angisakhona. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakala kanjani kodwa he was there. Ama clinics engangwa attend after that he was there. Bengikwazi mangikhala ngikwazi ukubiza kena uye kuphela umuntu engangikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume naye ngithi cha angisakhona. Bokhona futhi isikhathi la ngangikwazi ukukhuluma kwayena ngimsaba yena. Kunguthi uye umuntu kade ahleza nami. Bengimsaba kwayena maqala ngithinta ngigxume because angazi ukuthi umqondo wami yobo socabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu is capable. Wonke umuntu angakwazi ukuthi angidlwengule manje ngoba sengiyifaceile leyo nto leyo. Kwaya ngaba right naye. Kodwa bengithi mangibona abantu ngaphandle still. Mawuqala waba mude nje wakhanya ebusweni ngiyasaba. Waba mfishane wakhanya ebusweni ngiyasaba ngoba ngisaba khumbula nasebusweni. So kwakunzima for him as well ngoba naye bekangasazi ukuthi enze njani. Bekangasazi ukuthi enze njani. Wabona kahle ukuthi hayi angeke asakhona.
So nahlukana because of that. And then manje, are you dating? How is the dating game if you've dated after yena, and how are you dealing with? Because you mentioned that you don't trust men. So when it comes to dating, how quickly do you adjust to your relationship?
Thatha isikhathi eside. Mangabe uzofika uthi I like you ngiyakuthanda. Uzosebenza lelo gama elithi uyangithanda. Ingathatha ngisho 6 months ukuthi ngihlangane nawe sothenga ice cream. Also futhi into ngayifundisa yona ukuthi ngiyisho kusaqala mawuthi ngiyakuthanda ngibeka konke etafuleni ukuthi kwazi ukuthi nokuthi kwenzekile. Hayi ukuthi ngifuna usizo lomuntu kodwa ngifuna ukuthi azi ngakusasa maka ngithola ngikhala angazi ngikhalelana azi ukuthi kunjalo ngoba angikwazi ukukhuluma noma ngathiwa seyivukile mhlawumbe inhlungu zivukile angikwazi ukukhuluma. Into engikwazi ukwenza ukukhala. ngoba ukukhuluma nabantu sengibona ngathi kuba useless ngathi ngakhuluma kodwa ngeke uzizwe inhlungu ezingaphakathi ngakutshela indlela ekubhlungu ngayo ngaphakathi kodwa inhlungu zami ngeke uzizwe so ngibona ukuthi noma ngingazwana nabo babe ngakhi o yena lozo ozodecide ukuthi angishade ngalanga angeke azizwe inhlungu enginazo ngoba namhlanje ngiright kusasa ngikho right namhlanje ngiright kusasa ngikho right angazi.
So is there anything ofuna sivale ngayo mhlambe you can talk to the viewers if there's any help mhlambe because you said you would consider going back for counseling?
Yeah, mhlambe ama viewers abasebandlulile kulento ukuthi ukukhula kanjani nayo ngoba ngibazwile abantu bathi awupholi uphila kanjani nayo mihla namalanga and uma khona umuntu mhlambe onganginikeza mhlambe counseling ezongisiza ukuthi noma sengiba nawo imaphupho ama flashbacks ngazi ukuthi mase ifikile ngidila kanjani nayo. Yeah.
Okay, so ngicela ushare not your contact details rather kube ama accounts we social media.
Okay.
La bazokuthola khona so that baxhumane nawe khona.
Ngikhona ku TikTok, ngikhona ku Instagram, ngikhona ku Facebook. Igama Charmaine Mokebe. Kuwo wonke ama platforms.
All right. Igama sizolibhala phansi for spelling purposes so that at least nibhale information right. So siyacela ke ukuthi if you are able to assist with izinto azishilo sisi counseling kakhulu because she went for counseling twice but azange aluthola usizo and if mhlambe udlulile entweni similar to hers and maybe you have ama coping mechanisms owasebenzisayo and you can share them or assist or mhlambe even get in touch with her so that mhlambe nikwazi ukuxoxa you know. And I think uzo relate more with people abadlule entweni similar but if you're a professional uhlala around ekuruleni especially esidini laseKatlehong kindly get in touch with us or usisi ama details wakhe siwabhala phansi. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and also join the membership yethu for only 20 rands every month. Thank you.